Next, let us explore the People tab. So within the People tab, you can see two main headings, teachers as well as students. So there can be more than one teacher also, and you can add by clicking on this invite teacher icon. You can add the name or email address of the teacher and then click on invite. When the teacher will accept, her or his name will appear here. Similarly, you can add students also by typing in their email addresses, or you can send them this invite link. So the students can add themselves using this link also, and on adding them, the name of the students will appear here. Then next, let us explore the grades. So as you can see, as of now, there are no grades because I have not added any student in this classroom, and in fact, none of the quizzes that I have posted have been answered by anyone. So I'll show you the interface of an existing classroom where students have answered questions, and you can have a look how the quizzes and how everything appears. So up till now, I have just given you a brief introduction of all these tabs. What do they contain? Now let us start adding students and creating actual assignments and quizzes, and then having a look at how grades can be viewed. So for adding student, as I said, you can share the class code. If you click on the display icon here, yeah. So this is the class code that you can share with your students, or you can copy the invite link and send it to your students. And alternatively, you can add the students using their email addresses also. So go to People's tab, click on invite students and type their email address. So it will show you the best match, and you can click on it. And you can add multiple students at one go also. Right now I'm just inviting myself just to let you just to show you how you can add students. And the invite link is visible here also, so you can copy this link and again share it with the students, and then click on invite. So on doing so, because I have not accepted the invite, that is why it is shown like this over here. So in my own class view, if I refresh this page, so this is my own account. You can see here I've got the invitation for this class in the Google Classroom, and if I click on join and if I go back to the same class and let me refresh the page, so you can see here the name of the student has been added and it is shown in bold. Now suppose you want to remove a student, so that can be easily done. Just select the name of the student, go to action and then click on remove. The student will be removed from the classroom. Or you can also mute a student. So muting a student means that the student is there in the classroom, but the student won't be able to post anything in the class, or you can email a particular student also. So now let us explore the classwork a bit more in detail. For example, there was a question posted, there was an assignment posted as well as a quiz. So let us have a look at the assignment. So you can see one has been assigned because only one student is there, and that particular student has not yet turned in the assignment. So let me turn in the assignment from my own account. I have turned in the assignment. Let me refresh this page. So you can see that practical one assignment has been turned in. So when you click on turned in, you can see this panel where on the left hand side all the students' name will be listed, how many marks they have got, and here you can see the answers of the students also. We can either give the marks to them from here directly, or alternatively, if you want to have a look at what the student has written, then you can click on the name of the student. It will open whatever the student has submitted to you. For example, here I have uploaded a blank file, so the same file appear here, and here I can add the marks in the grade part. So let it be 7, Then you can add a comment also for the student, that if you would like to highlight any aspect of the practical that you have, or the assignment that you have allocated to the student, like they have made some mistake, or is it a very good one. So accordingly you can add a private comment and post. And after assigning the grade, if you click on return, then the students will get to know that they have received 7 out of 10 in this particular assignment. So that is why you have to return the assignment. So if I click on return, in my own account, I can see that 7 marks have been given to me for this particular assignment. So here in the classwork, you can see the summary that one assignment has been graded also. Now I've also answered this question from my own account. So here you can see that the answer has also been turned in. If you click on turn in, here you can see the answer that I have typed, and accordingly you can give marks to the student. Now let us create a quiz assignment. Earlier we have created a blank quiz. Now let us create a quiz along with the question. So let it be quiz 2. You can add the instructions. You can assign the points. So let it be of 5 marks. Let me add a due date. And let me assign it to a topic, say theory. Now let us open the quiz. Let me rename the quiz also. Now let us add one question. Let it be multiple choice. Say Monday. Now because of the type of the question and the option that I have written, it is suggesting that I can add them all at one go, all the days, and you can remove any option if required. So let me remove Sunday. Let this be a required one, and in the answer key, let it be Thursday, the correct answer, and let this answer be of 5 points, and then click on done. So one question has been added in this quiz. So you can close the quiz, and here going back to the quiz 2 assignment, just make sure that grade importing is on, because this feature will let you automatically import the marks that you have basically a student has got in a particular quiz, and it will be imported into the grades of the classroom. It will also ensure that each form will be submitted by once per user. It will collect the email addresses also, and it will restrict the responses to users in your domain also. So just make sure this is on, and then click on assign. So the quiz has been assigned, and let me answer the quiz from my own account, and then I'll get back over here. So I have answered the quiz, and let me refresh this page. So now you can see here that the quiz 2 has been turned in by one student. Now to see the marks of the students, you need to go to view assignment. Okay, and here now you can see this option, import grades. The moment you click on it, it will ask you whether you want to import the grades. So click on import. Now on doing so, it will show you the marks of student. So here you can see now that because I've answered the question correctly, so you can see that I've got 5 marks. This is the important step after you have assigned the quiz, and after the students have submitted the quiz. So you need to import the grades.